Have you ever felt like a woman lost interest in you overnight? It wasn't random. Women pick up on weakness faster than most men realize. The problem is, these weak behaviors aren't always obvious. Today, we're exposing the 7 biggest mistakes that silently kill attraction and respect. Why it matters. A woman doesn't respect a man because of his looks or money. She respects him because of his presence, confidence, and mindset. If she senses weakness, she will lose respect, attraction, and eventually interest. What you'll learn today: the hidden signals that make women see you as weak, how to correct these behaviors and regain control, the one mistake that ruins attraction instantly, and how to fix it. Teaser. Stick around for the final sign. It's the silent killer of attraction, and 99% of men are guilty of it without even realizing. Now, let's dive in. Weakness number 1: seeking constant validation. Women are naturally drawn to confidence. When you constantly seek validation, do you think I'm funny? Do you still like me? You're subconsciously signaling that you doubt yourself. And if you don't believe in yourself, why should she? Why it's a problem? It makes you look unsure of your own worth. It shifts the power dynamic. She becomes the one in control. It drains attraction because women respect men who lead, not those who need approval. Stoic fix. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Instead of seeking validation, be the man who naturally commands respect." Actionable steps. Instead of asking, "Do you like me?" assume she does, and focus on being present. Make decisions without second-guessing yourself. Validate yourself first. Confidence is built by trusting your own judgment. Weakness number 2: being overly available. Women want a man who has a purpose beyond them. If you drop everything at a moment's notice, reply instantly, or always say yes to her requests, she won't see you as valuable. She'll see you as an option. Why it's a problem? It signals that you don't value your own time or priorities. She'll take you for granted because you're always within reach. Mystery and challenge are lost. If she knows she can have you anytime, she won't chase you. Stoic fix. Respect your time. Have a mission beyond her. When she sees you're focused on your purpose, she'll chase your attention instead of running from it. Actionable steps. Keep your schedule full with meaningful activities. Gym, business, hobbies, social life. Delay responses occasionally. Show her you're busy living your life. Set boundaries. Don't always rearrange your plans just to fit hers. Weakness. Number 3, fear of conflict. Many men think avoiding conflict will make women like them more. But in reality, avoiding tough conversations makes you look weak. Women subconsciously test men to see if they'll stand up for themselves. And if you fail, attraction dies. Why it's a problem? Women respect men who can handle difficult situations with confidence. If you always agree just to keep the peace, she'll see you as spineless. Weak men avoid conflict. Strong men navigate it with composure. Stoic fix. Epictetus said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid." In other words, stand your ground even if it makes you unpopular in the moment. Actionable steps. Stop apologizing for having an opinion. State your thoughts with calm confidence. If she disrespects you, call it out firmly but respectfully. Practice saying no without over-explaining. Real strength lies in setting boundaries. Weakness number 4, over-texting and over-pursuing. Initiating a conversation isn't a problem. But when you're always the one texting first, double texting, or constantly checking for her reply, you're subconsciously telling her she's more valuable than you. Why it's a problem? It creates imbalance. She doesn't feel the need to invest. It makes you look desperate instead of confident. Women are attracted to men who give them space to miss them. Stoic fix. Give her space. If she values you, she'll reach out. The more secure you are in yourself, the less you need constant reassurance. Actionable steps. Match her effort. If she barely texts, don't overcompensate. Stop treating text conversations as a way to win her. Use them to set up real-life meetups. If she stops responding, don't chase. Silence is a powerful response. Weakness number 5, letting emotions control you. Women respect men who remain composed. If you're quick to anger, overly emotional, or impulsive in your reactions, she'll see you as weak and unreliable. Why it's a problem? Emotional instability signals a lack of control. Women instinctively test men to see if they can stay calm under pressure. Overreacting makes you look insecure and unable to handle challenges. Stoic fix. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind." D. Not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. The next time you feel triggered, take a deep breath and respond. Don't react. Actionable steps. When faced with drama, take a pause before responding. If she tries to provoke a reaction, stay calm and unbothered. Practice emotional discipline. Train yourself to remain composed in stressful situations. Weakness number 6, lack of direction and purpose. Aimless men are the least attractive. Women are drawn to men who have a mission, a drive, and something bigger than just chasing them. Why it's a problem? If your biggest goal is getting a girlfriend, you're setting yourself up for failure. Women don't want to be your purpose. They want to be part of a man's journey. Lack of ambition signals that you're stagnant and unmotivated. Stoic. Fix. Seneca said, "If one does not know to which port one is sailing, no wind is favorable." Find your mission. Build something. Women respect men who are going somewhere. Actionable steps. Define a long-term goal, whether in fitness, business, or personal growth. Dedicate time to improving yourself every day. Success is built in small steps. Never make a woman your sole focus. Your mission should always come first. Weakness number 7, indecisiveness. Nothing turns a woman off faster than a man who can't make a decision. Why it's a problem? Women don't want to lead. They want a man who leads himself. Indecision signals weakness, uncertainty, and a lack of confidence. If you're always saying, "I don't know, what do you want?" you're putting the burden on her, making her lose respect for you. Stoic fix. A wise man makes his own decisions. An ignorant man follows public opinion. Grantland Rice. Actionable steps. Start making small decisions without hesitation. Practice confidence in daily life. If you make a choice, own it, even if it turns out to be the wrong one. When leading, be decisive. "We're going here tonight. You'll love it." Instead of, "Where do you want to go?" Conclusion. Women lose attraction when they sense weakness. If you want to be respected and desired, eliminate these 7 behaviors immediately. Stop seeking validation. Confidence comes from within, not from external approval. Stop being overly available. Prioritize your own life instead of waiting on her. Stop avoiding conflict. Stand your ground with respect and strength. Stop over-texting. Let her miss you instead of constantly chasing. Control your emotions. A man who stays calm under pressure earns respect. Have a purpose. Women are drawn to men who are building something bigger than themselves. Be decisive. Lead with confidence. Don't make her do the thinking for you. Which of these behaviors do you need to work on the most? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more Stoic wisdom, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.